Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. This is Pama tutorials and we are still on the beading series. We are doing this necklace, the bracelet, as well as the earring. So yeah, stay and I hope you do enjoy the video. Let's go. Yeah, and all the materials used will be in the description box, so you can check them out in case you want to try it on your own. And yeah, I think this is quite self-explanatory. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. And if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so that you'll be notified the moment the next design is uploaded. And if you've not seen the previous design, I'll leave the link in the description box so you can check that one too as well. You can't afford to miss it. And I couldn't introduce the next episode because it wasn't ready. I got catch up with time, so I couldn't finish it up. But I hope you do enjoy this video, and once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll come in when I have to. Yeah. So I went ahead to do about 11 more offline, and this is the 12th one, the number 12. I'm just going to finish it up real quick, and then we'll move on to the next design, or like what we have to do next. You get me? So once I got to this part, I went ahead to use gold seed bead instead, and I went ahead to do about 10 more of the square. Is it square? No, that's not square. Of the four-sided design I'm doing now. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's finish it up real quick. We are almost done. And this is how our necklace looks like. Very, very gorgeous, very, very simple, but very, very easy and very, very classy. Like, you see all the adjectives I'm giving it. Yeah, so let's tie a couple of knots and get rid of the excess thread, and our necklace will be almost ready. Yeah, so I'm just going to tie a couple of knots and get rid of the excess thread. You can tie as many as you want. Then I just went ahead to pass it through a couple of beads just to get a bit away from the knots before I get rid of the excess thread, just like so. So now our necklace is 99% ready. We are just going to close it and we'll be out of here. Then we just move on to the bracelet and the earring real quick. So these are my jump rings and these are the locker I'll be using. It's in two parts, so I'm just going to connect one part to the jump ring and connect it to the necklace, just like so. Very, very simple and very, very easy. It's very, very easy to close and open as well. So you can add as many of the jump rings as you want if you want your necklace to be very long. So I went ahead to do the other part real quick, and guys, I present to you our necklace. Yeah, very, very simple, very, very easy, very, very gorgeous. So go ahead and give it a try and let me know the colors you'll be using. And because I didn't want to waste your time, I went ahead to do the bracelet off camera and close it just like the necklace. And this is how it looks on my hand. Very, very easy to do. So yeah, go ahead and give it a try, and let's try the earring. So the earring is also the same format. I went ahead to do only 3 of the designs, and I'm going to put my thread on it. So you cut about 10 centimeters length of thread. You don't need any long thread, or you, let's say 15 centimeters length of thread, and I'm just going to pass it through the pointed parts. Then I went ahead to pick 3 seed bead on each thread off camera, not to waste your time. Then I'm going to pick 2 seed bead on the 2 threads put together. So I put the 2 threads together and I'm putting 2 seed beads on it, just like so. And this is how your design should look like. It's coming together. Now these are the stoppers I'll be using. It looks like a seed bead, but it's metallic in nature. I'm going to put 2 on the threads. So that's 2. Then there's my earring holder I'll be using. So I'm just going to pass the 2 threads through the hole there. Then I'm going to pass my threads back through the stoppers, as well as the 2 seed beads. Very, very simple, very, very easy to try. Once that was done, I went ahead to press the stoppers real quick. The stoppers help the thread to stay in place once you get rid of the excess thread, so that your work doesn't ruin, and you press it with all your life and with all your energy. Then I went ahead to get rid of the excess thread, just like so. And guys, our earring is just ready. Very, very simple. So go ahead and give it a try. And yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next episode. I can't wait to show you the next episode. So yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.